Now, if you want to delete items from our dictionary, we have several options. We can use the del method. We can del my dict and then put what we want to delete. Let's say we want to delete the name, and let's save this. If we print here, we see that the name is gone from our dictionary. We can also use the pop method. So we can use the pop method. Let's say my dict dot pop, and what we want to pop, let's say we want to pop the edge. So if we print this, we see that the edge is gone. Now we can use, or we can decide to use the pop item method. So this removes the last inserted element from our dictionary. So we can say, so here we don't have to specify. We can just use pop item. So if we pop item, we see that the seat is being removed. As I said earlier, that if you use the pop item method, this is going to remove the last inserted element.